Honestly, I think the terrain and landscape here is the most special thing about it. I've raced in a few places around the world and this place always calls to me.
I think this truly is what an XTERRA course should be and is a true XTERRA course.
It's a really friendly vibe. Everyone's encouraging and got a smile on their face. I also believe that it's just about community as much as it's about racing.
The atmosphere here in Rotorua, I think it's really, really special. You know, everybody here rides a mountain bike. We're just such an outdoorsy place. And I think that kind of shows off in the way the community gets in behind the race here.